Hi, good morning. Ooh, close up. Not at the beach this morning. It's an early start for class, second day of orientation. So I did I just got a shower. Ooh, climate here is weird. My hair feels like kind of neat in a way, thicker somehow, messier. So, lesson 19, A Course in Miracles. I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my thoughts. Oh, what I was going to say is instead of going to the beach, I did some long stretching session, like fascial stretching plus muscle, but mostly fascia because I felt like bound up. So I'm not alone in experiencing the effects of my thoughts. Well, the day before was similar. It said I'm not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing. Now it's I'm not alone in experiencing the effects of my thoughts. And prior to that, we had learned thoughts come first. They always do. Seeing can't come first right now. So we're kind of going backwards in time with this to backing up to like, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my thoughts. And then it says practice period, do like no more than 4 yesterday. And say things like when you search your mind, when you recognize a thought, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of this thought about blank. I'm not alone in experiencing the effects of this thought about the day ahead. Yeah, that's true. Right now, a lot of us are thinking about the day ahead. It's new for everybody here. No one knows what to expect. What are the effects of that thought? We might have a little nervous energy in the classroom. We're not alone in noticing the effects of that nervous energy. So anyway, that's just one little example I'm reflecting on. There's so many. Every thought you have could be an example. Because our thoughts create our reality, and our thoughts like send out the vibes of the energy we're feeling, which affect other people. They land in other people's bodies. So it's like it's a mutual experience. It's not just our own reality. Yet that's a paradox. Yeah. It's like, but I'm trying to follow the lesson to the T and not get ahead or infuse my own beliefs into it. I'm trying to be true to the lesson at the point the lesson's coming up. So I'm just recognizing that, yeah, I'm not alone in experiencing the effects of my thoughts, because my thoughts about today are excitement, like learning all the students' names, like, so yeah, I hope they can feel the effects of that. Like, I'm engaged. I hope I can remain engaged. I feel alive. I do feel alive. That's good. I feel awake. I feel caffeinated. I feel good in my body because I did the stretching, and I didn't eat breakfast yet because I had a big dinner, so I'm not going to overfill myself. I'll just probably wait until like first morning break to have a snack. So I feel good overall, and I hope the effects of that thought are felt by others. It's funny how when I say I hope that, like if I'm not feeling good, I hope that nobody feels the effects of that. So, of those thoughts about not feeling good. And so it's like, I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my thoughts. So again, I took it to more of a mutual place, but maybe this is just saying you're not alone either when you experiencing the effects of your thoughts. Even if I don't experience those effects, we're sharing. That's a mutual understanding of our each individual experience, even if we're not influencing each other or feeling the effects of each other's thoughts. So I see the both and part of this. I'm not sure what the lesson is like wanting us to reflect on, like the individual aspect of it or the mutual aspect of it. It'll be curious. I'm curious if it'll illuminate. So yeah, because I'm short on time, this is going to be a really short reflection from the kind of the whiteness of this room. So I had to open the windows to the courtyard and let in some light. But I love this, just the simplicity of the living quarters. You've got everything you need. I even have an AC, which after the shower, I was like, and it's not hot water, it's just lukewarm. You don't need hot water here, really. And so it's like, I love the simplicity. Yeah, I have everything I need. I have a light. I'm going to shut off this little lamp. Natural light. And that way I'm encouraged to go outside and not spend time in this little room except for when I'm sleeping. And yeah, what are the effects of those thoughts? Yeah, I feel grateful for the simplicity of things. And I know that gratitude is going to have a ripple effect. Yeah. I also feel like it makes me appreciate nature, you know, going outside. Yeah. Anyway, there's probably more to reflect on here, but it's a building on to the prior lesson, like they all are. And so it kind of like, we already learned that thoughts become before seeing true sight. And it's like, or like maybe false sight. So it's like we already project out from our thoughts about the thing we're seeing based on our frame of mind, maybe. Like our thoughts create our outward experience. And so this is like taking it back from seeing, the effects of our seeing, back into the effects of our thoughts. And like knowing that like that creates our reality and we see the effects of those thoughts. So it's, I think this is just a deepening of the understanding that our thoughts create our reality. Okay, I gotta go. It's class time.